Flair. Do the Ric Flair. Do the Ric Flair. Do the Ric Flair. Behind the scenes directors, cause I do my own stunts, man.
Well, you gotta do your thing.
That's the end of the story.
This little thing goes fast. Hey, that was expensive. Well, if you're gonna take 10 hours, then I'm just gonna like, ow, the engine's hot. Why is it hot? Does it power wheelie? This is scarier than I thought it would be. That's a good looking bike. Stoppy.
It's so scary.
I know, right?
It pops up so quick. That's so much fun. I love it. Dude, that's awesome.
But I feel like it would be fun to loop. What are you doing now? Yeah, I broke it.
You're so stupid.
I know.
I'm gonna put you on blast.
Got it. Did you get a picture?
Yeah.
Now I feel bad. Is that looser than it was?
Ruined.
Look, you just tighten it. Oh, it's off that sprocket too.
What?
I'm done. BJ, it's all you. Ah!
Yo, if somebody's recording, you're about to get some feedback.
What do you say?
If someone's recording, you're about to get some. He keeps burning good clips or something.
Wanna ride it?
Okay, let me get it out of here.
What's the password?
I knew that was coming.
What's the password?
Quick, take a picture. Thanks. Can I see it? No, yeah. Oh, I look really good in that. Can you send that to me later? All right, thanks. That was a really good takeoff. Yeah. Dude. What the heck?
Okay. I'm sorry.
Dude.
It's going in. I hope you know that.
Oh, Billy. Going on an Australian adventure. Damn, Adam's head is fat. It stinks in here. He sweats a lot. The fuck is that? It's like fucking Donnie Darko off to fucking Neverland. Okay. We're back at it. Fucking motor vlogging. Tit, pop, tap that ass. Mommy! Fucking Narnia. Ready? Hell yeah. Ow! Gonna go down the slide again. I'm going to go backwards. No, not ballsy enough. No! I lost my glasses. I'm an Australian motor vlogger. This hat is so flat. I'm gonna go fucking down the rabbit hole again to fucking Alice. Just kidding. This is Megan's Australian adventures. Look at all my dirt bike. I was walking up and just bam. If you're wondering, when I was in 3rd grade, I was walking up these things and slipped. Fell right on my hoochie. This one has a penis. It's a kangaroo. Is it Harry Potter? You're a hairy monkey cow. You're a hairy cow. There's another penis, and this is a Donnie Darko baby bunny. They're summoning me. Okay, I gotta